in a big city, you can't do everything in one day, so it's best to pick your spots and explore small pieces of town. Today we're going to do stuff that's right in the heart of the city, starting with this cube of curiosity, the Perot Museum. And to help us expand our minds, well, here's museum expert Krista Moore.
It's 180,000 square feet of interactive nature and science, and we encourage people to actually do and touch. It's not one of those museums where you sit quietly and just stare at things. So
that's good.
This is a place to have fun.
Opened in 2012, this museum took 3 other Dallas museums and combined them into one giant explosion of science. But when I'm in any big museum, my first thought is, take me to your dinosaurs.
And we found that dinosaurs are kind of the gateway drug to science.
Oh, that's so true.
Everybody loves dinosaurs.
Confession, I had dinosaur wallpaper on my room as an elementary kid.
Love it.
Yeah.
A lot of this area used to be underwater, believe it or not. This is a Tylosaurus, and he is very, very long. He was found in Rockwall County.
What?
So that's just east of Dallas. So this guy would have been swimming around right here where
Right
we're
where
standing.
we're standing.
Yes.
Oh, I would not have been swimming here then, right where we're standing, because this guy's terrifying.
One cool part about the Perot is that many of these guys once roamed Texas, including this guy, the Alamosaurus.
Texas-sized dinosaur.
That's right. These vertebrae are actually the only known in the world to be this complete. And it took our scientists 9 months to prepare each one. But this is one of the largest animals to have ever walked the planet.
These look like boulders, right? And these are just a piece of his neck bone.
Correct. That's right.
That just blows my mind.
This is part of the neck bone.
Here's another Texas tidbit. The oldest bird fossil in all of North America was found in Grapevine. And the discoveries continue even to today, like this mammoth Ellie Mae found in nearby Ellis County. There are multiple floors of exhibits covering everything from robotics to gyms, including giving visitors a look into ourselves. No, seriously, like a look into a human body.
So we have a man and a woman, and these are real slices of human bodies.
You're freaking me out a little bit. This is a real human?
This is a real human being.
Brain, spinal cord, organs.
Yes, and that way you can see in intricate details what's going on inside you and me.
No way.
Yeah.
Talk about a slice of life. There are places to walk on the sun, touch a tornado, and experience an earthquake. But I am so pumped about this hall, the science of sports.
You can go into our motion lab and you can test your reflexes. And over here, you can race a professional athlete, a cheetah, or even a T-Rex.
T-Rex?
A T-Rex.
Wait, I can race a T-Rex over here?
You can race a T-Rex right here.
Is that working?
Yes,
Is that,
it's called our run wall.
And
Chet?
You know, I've always wondered that if I was chased by a T-Rex, would I live or become a dino snack? Well, there's only one way to find out.
Oh, what? You're taking the jacket off?
Taking the jacket off.
How about the hat?
No, I turned the hat backwards to run faster. Figure if I have better arm motion, I can win this race. He's here. I've got better form longer.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I beat the king of dinosaurs.
That was like 0.1 seconds faster.
And now I can compare myself to a king of quarterbacks, Roger Staubach.
Coverage, read coverage, find open receiver. See, I have a quicker release than Roger Staubach. Oh, wait, who's this? Oh, Jerry Jones is calling. Wait.
I'm a big kid in the candy store of science. If you liked this video, chances are you're going to love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Bye con Dios, amigos.